When Flint contacted me, he brought me just a guitar part and the melody of the lyrics. And there wasn't really a whole lot of rules. He was pretty open to ideas. And thanks to my friend Caden, he lent us his collection of junkyard percussion stuff. This is the guy who just goes around and finds stuff and throws it in his barn. And I called him up, and he was really nice to lend it out. The whole project has this sonic imprint of this junkyard percussion stuff, weird metallic sounds, weird resonance, and it's just really cool stuff that you typically don't hear out of a typical, drum kit. And so it was really cool to get to work with some of this stuff.
Drive it again. When are you coming home, love? I don't know when. I'd love to see you then.
Now, one thing we did is actually put a mic inside the 50-gallon drum. We did this by putting a mic on the stool and then lowering the drum over that stool. We also isolated it using these microphone stand little feet. And so it sat isolated on these little foam feet and resonated really quite well. And this just gave us a really cool sound that was almost all ring and very little attack. And so it really added to the track.
Of another and I found, yeah, I like the way it feels.
With Flint, I wanted to really stress working on one song a day. Not trying to do all the different percussion for all the different songs, just because it was convenient and we had it all set up. I wanted to specifically just focus on one song. What's the guitar part? What's the melody? And just be in the moment and not focus on any other songs, and slowly just build the song around that. We did do some multi-tracking, but all the songs that we have done and will do are started with a core group of instruments, just the two of us playing. There's no metronome or click track or anything like that. It's essentially us playing together, and so there's a natural energy there. For this song, it was actually the core tracks was the acoustic guitar, a scratch vocal, and the drum that is the pitch bend mallet played drum. So those are the two tracks that held the song together. The other things like the slaps and the 16th notes or any sort of effects, those are all multi-track later on the basis of those two tracks holding it together.
From the cruel hands of time, yeah, no one gets out of here alive.